Good morning. We have Wednesday, 19th of Jan 2022. Good morning, Kylie.
Good morning, everybody.
We say good morning, but we've been here bloody 2.5 hours already.
Yeah, 8:30 feels like 12:30.
Yeah.
For you Eastern Staters especially.
Yeah. Don't get me going.
Yeah.
Okay, All Ords currently as at, where are we? Today's data is on. Currently around that 7666 level. I've got a little mark here at 7700. I was really hoping we'd hold 7700, but we've even taken out or are taking out the lows at around 7670. It's interesting if you have a look back. We were at this level back in July. So one could argue we've done nothing for the last 6 months, but it's still very much a situation, if you're in the right stocks at the right time, you're probably doing reasonably well. So I'll just very quickly, back to the All Ords. I must admit I don't like the look of it. There hasn't been any great sell-off yet. We're still trying to work out what we're doing, re-inflation and interest rates. I think there's some figures coming out shortly that may give us some sort of a lead, but regardless, it doesn't look overly healthy right at the moment. So into my high-low scan. We've got 14 to look at, and again, this, based on the computer, this looks pretty close to a high, low, but we've got dropping OBV during the pullback. I'd prefer to have rising OBV. We're back where we were 12 months ago. I don't rate this as a very good example of a stock that I would enter. ALD the same. The major significant low was back here last March. This is moving up. To me, this is just consolidation. It's not a classic high, low setup. CAJ, I could say the same thing. I just don't see this as a significant low, despite the fact that it's a 8 or 9 month low. What I want is something that's been going down and then starting that high, low setup. Whoops. This is more like it. We've been going down, we've gone sideways for a while now. This is not a significant low. This is back here. So I would argue there's your first high, low, and this is actually a breakout here. However, looking at this one, I'm quite happy to just take this as a resistance line around 4.3 and good OBV. Communication, 650,000 out, 650 million out there, so potentially worth a look at. The next one, same. This has just been going up and it's consolidating. One might argue a saucer, but again, the best sources are major lows and signify a turnaround in the trend. Here, this is just a continuation pattern. Maybe good, maybe not. Again, we're continuously trying to stress the perfect trade. JB Hi-Fi, same, just all over the shop. Not interested in that one. Magnum, despite being a 4 or 5 centre, this is a better example. We've got, let's say, major lows in place. We have been going down. It is an option, yeah. So what's that? MGU, which we've been talking about the last couple of days. We go back one, MGU broke out, backed off a whisker today. Not surprising the way the day is panning out. Whoops. MXR, again, this has been going down the gurgler. We do have a significant low. We've got a high. We've got higher lows. If that were to break around about the 8 cent level, worth a look. New World Resources, this is, you know, it's worth a look on a break of the resistance, but again, it's not a turnaround from a major low. Your major low is back here. High, high, low, here's your breakout, back over here. Rain check, I wouldn't take a rain check on that one. Healthcare, 1.13 billion out there. Been going down the gurgler, significant lows. First rally, higher low. That'll be interesting if it breaks that 6.5 level, 1.13 billion out there. Healthcare. S2R. Did a lot. Bounced very nicely from a major low. The OBV would indicate there's a bit more left in this. That's a massive move. Higher low. Trying to break as we speak, basically. 356 million out there, materials sector could be interesting. I'm going to go and bring in a bit of extra data. Yeah, it's been above 30. Yeah, jury's out on that one for me. SE1, I like that, down the gurgler, sideways movement, good bottoming action, now breaking. Have I still got today's data on? Yes. So it's breaking as we speak. A 2 cent job, 400 million out there, IT sector. So let's Gasco. Reasonably similar to the previous stock. I'd rather the previous stock, which was SE1. SE1 also has gaps up here, so something to attract a bit of a profit target. This looks reasonable. Bear in mind you're down in the gutter, but keep an eye on that one. Viva, it's been going up, this consolidation, not interested. So at that point, okay, at this point I shall hand over to Kylie.
Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to do my usual scan today. I think is all the same. Oh, that's going to $25. Yeah. I'm going to change that to 4. Otherwise, I think that's all the same. Nope, there's 131 of them. What's different? Oh, I haven't ticked these. Okay, here you go. Make sure you put your filters in. That's what they're for. 131 down to 8. Boom. Right, so we've got this one. No, that's going down the gurgler. Moving on. Lithium Power LPI. I like the way it's holding above 80 cents. If it can do that for a bit longer, we could potentially have another buy at, say, 85 cents. It's good. MNS. This one, looks good on the break of 60. It's hanging around there. It had a go yesterday. It's having a go today. Perhaps a close above 60. You've got this gap here at 66.5 to keep in mind. MSB, no. And I'm saying no for obvious reasons. I'm guessing everyone's understanding why. I don't think that's worth looking at either. Oh, and Zip, look. Oh, no. That's it from me. That was very short and brief.
Short, sharp and shiny.
Yeah,
it's not very often we can keep you quiet.
No, but there was 2 out of 8 to look at. Yay.
Okay. Cheers, everyone. Catch you later.